Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We have a midweek video. We have some Walgreens. We have Dollar General pennies, and we have 4 free items at Meijer grocery store here in the Midwest. So this is a lot of free, penny, penny, penny. Oh my gosh. Now, if you are in an area with massive amounts of snow, be safe. These deals are great, but you can wait till later in the week to go and make them happen. And thumbs up to safe driving and smart choices, especially when the weather's bad. I think I'm going to be stuck at home for the next 2 or 3 days, so I might not be driving anywhere, and that's okay. The deals always come back. But if you don't live in a snow belt, let's get right into it. First store that we're at, guys, is Walgreens, everybody's favorite, and we're going to be looking at in-store deals and also curbside deals. The first is an absolute and total freebie. So you're either going to find this at the front near the register, that last minute candy you're going to pick up, or you're going to find it in that candy aisle. Like they have a bunch of like fancier candy and then these sort of candies. And it is this Bueno, and it's $1.99. So there's 2 sticks in there. We have a very generous coupon. That's $1.99 off of this product. If you're an avid Dollar General shopper, you know that we had a similar one a couple weeks back. So load this one. And you know how at the beginning of the video I was saying, guys, deals always come back, or you could wait on stuff. This coupon does not expire till March. So if you just load it, you have a good amount of time to make it happen. March the 18th. So just load it and you will get your Kinder Bueno 2-pack for free, and that is a magic coupon. And it would make a really good little item to throw into Easter baskets. Okay, in yesterday's video, I was talking about how this is going to be the new $5 Scott. They always have that 12-count toilet paper, and this for $5 over at Walgreens. And a lot of you were like, well, are the rolls going to be chintzy? And I did look at them, and a lot of people had a theory that the rolls would be really loose, but they look pretty tight to me. And this looks very reminiscent of how they were a year ago before they made it a 4-pack. And I'm happy that this 6-pack is coming back. I think just people were not very pleased with it. So the curbside deal for this one is to throw 3 of them into a cart for $12.50, because you can use the promotion code WAG10 to get some extra savings. That's why I would encourage you to do it as a curbside pickup. 3 of those is $12.50, subtracting the $1.25. You're going to pay $11.93. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay $1.93. And that dollar digital coupon, for whatever goofy reason, is not attaching to these. I mean, if you call customer service, they'll probably just give you $1 credit, but this is a fantastic deal, and the 6 counts are back. I'm really happy about that. Now, a lot of us are having issues where the register rewards are not printing, and the parent company for these register rewards is called Catalina. I think it was last year I made a video explaining how to submit, and you have to do it externally through them. If your manager won't give you the credit and customer service is like, well, you have to get in touch with Catalina. I'll link the video at the very end. If you remember last week, I was getting some free razors, the cartridge refills, and I just on a whim sent them a message and said, hey, I should have probably got an $8 register reward for these. What gives? And they mailed me one, so that was pretty cool. And I didn't push my luck. I just got the one, and it's valid till the 20th. So I will link that video at the very end. And now let's look into a different deal with Angel Soft. I was shocked my store had this in stock. It is a 16 count of the Angel Soft toilet paper. That's typically about like $15 for this massive package of toilet paper. Now, it's on a promotion where it's on sale for $10.99, and this is valid, I think, until February the 15th. So you can do this right up till Saturday, and that's a fabulous price. I mean, you're saving $4 right there, but we also have a dollar digital coupon, so make sure you have that loaded. You can either do this deal curbside or you can do it in store. And again, if you have $10 of Walgreens cash to just use, I would grab this 16 count for $10.99, dollar coupon coming off, and I would use $10 in Walgreens cash. Call this a no booster deal, and you're just getting something really great for your stockpile. And who doesn't love a 16-pack of toilet paper? Next store that we have is Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. And we have all of these 4 items completely for free if you can track them down. And I'm going to explain like how this works and so on and so forth. I want to give a very big shout out and special thank you to Rolling Coupon Mom over on Instagram. I'm going to leave her account in the notes. She's a friend of the channel, and she is a really probably one of the best Meijer shoppers, always looking for these little freebies and stuff. I recommend following her. Very nice lady as well. So the first one is to grab 2 of the travel size Irish Springs. So look for them in these wire baskets over at Meijer. You're going to load this 5 off of 2, and 2 of them is $3. It's just going to reduce the coupon down to free. You're not going to get overage at Meijer. They outlawed that a couple years back. Also recommend that you scan it with the Scan and Go to ensure that the coupon is attaching. They might pull it at any second, but I did this on Tuesday evening and it worked perfectly. The next is these clearance Dove men and Dove women deodorants. And again, open up your Scan and Go, and if it's attaching, and these are the ones, that last slide was Rolling Coupon Moms, and then this is the one I found, the Even Tone in this gold color. We have these 2 digital coupons. These deodorants are ringing up for $1.82, making them both completely for free, which is great. And you have till Saturday to make this happen over at Meijer. So load both of these coupons. You can get both a men and a women's, and double check those prices. And then just to show you the receipt, I just paid tax, which was 40 cents. The clearance deodorant, $1.82 a pop, and $1.50 for those travel size Irish Springs. And the coupon, the 5 off 2, reduced down to $1.50. So I'm delighted with that. And to get 4 items like as freebies, totally what it's about. So I would definitely visit your stores, look for the clearance deodorant and that travel size, and make it happen. Final store that we have is the Dollar General, and on Sunday they had a gigantic penny list that was released. I made a video on Sunday where I hauled like 300 items, whole bunch of UPCs, and I jogged through like where I found them, so on and so forth. If you want to watch the video, by all means, I'll link it at the very end as well. And lots of really good information, and I know a lot of you have been scoring really big from that video. Now, I did haul this one item. It's just one of those as seen on TV. It's called Shine and Armor. One of the boxes that I picked up actually was cracked open. And so I'm like, I'm just going to see what this is all about. And then it came with 2 microfiber cloths. My goodness gracious. Even if you want to just use these to remove the dust from your stockpile, they are top shelf microfiber towels. Really fantastic. I think I'm going to open up more of the boxes that I found and keep all of these for cleaning, for mirrors, and for like just overall cleaning in your house. It's just a fantastic product. So this is superb. I also found on Monday a ton of textiles, blankets, sheets, towels. I'm not going to talk individually about each one. I'm just going to talk through this. But yeah, these like little throws, you're going to find them in the NCI section on hangers. I recommend scan every single one. These different companies are the ones that I found the most of. I think I tracked down like 15. I gave a couple to random shoppers in the store, and I donated, I think, 6 of them to the SPCA for future dog beds, like the cozy ones. And they are pretty sizable. These ones are like Little House on the Prairie. There's like frillies on the side. This one called Forsythia Ridge. And they are 50 by 60 inches. So kind of big. And the back tags are massive as well. And then one of my favorite finds, I wish I had found more of these, are the 9 counts of these Simply Lofty face cloths. I recommend, guys, scan every single one. Every single one. And some might look the same and it'll be full price, and then some might be a penny. And somebody tore through the store. I could tell another penny shopper was there, and they just left these 2 on a shelf. So it was like weird. And I was like, I'll take them. So I was really excited to find like 18 face cloths. I wish they were all the color white though, but I'll have to be happy with these colors. And then I found this cute little full bed sheet set. You guessed it, 1 penny for all this stuff. I mean, even if you have a couple hours to kill, you have to be patient and do a lot of scanning, but that's when you're going to be panning for gold and strike big. This is called Riera, and it is a king size set, for 1 cent. I mean, shut up. From $25 to 1 penny. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. I love it. I love it when stuff pennies out. And if you want to watch my video on Sunday, I really explain like how to use the app and so on and so forth. And if you're new to this, Alien Shield for a penny. And sorry, that's kind of blurry, but that's what we're working with today. Just type it into the app if you can't scan it. And I found only one of these. The Tupperware, somebody must have went through all of it, but I did find one of these just in the regular NCI section. And another store, when they were 70% off, I think they were like $1.80 each. I bought all of them, and I gave my mother-in-law a bunch for her freezing and preserving of food. And then I found another one of these shelled walnuts. I just have this as a keto snack. They expire in March, so I have like 6 bags that I found in the last couple of weeks. And this is a Christmas item. It's not from this new clearance list. And then this is a 3-pack of blackberry clove. This one actually smells really good, and I have enough of these now that I could maybe start a car wash and just give these away for free for a month to every single customer. I'm just joking around. And this one is called Cherry Blossom Honey. It's very summery smelling, so I'm liking that. And here's the UPC. If you have a little bit of time to kill, go to the Dollar General and look for this stuff in the regular section, in the clearance section. And I would scour the stores. If you have a couple hours to kill and you're a patient, observant person, you are probably going to come out with even more pennies. And because of the snow, somebody like me has to stay home. You could probably find a bunch. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.